Hello friends, today I'll be looking at these index equations, about three of them. The first one says 6 exponent x minus 2 is equal to 36. So now for me to solve this, 6 exponent x minus 2 equal to 36. This is very simple. To get the value of x, I have to make 36 to have 6 as its base. So this is going to be 6 exponent x minus 2 is equal to 6 raised to the power of 2 is 36. Okay, now the goal is just for 6 to cancel out 6 so that I'll pick the exponent. So x minus 2 is equal to 2. So x is equal to, collecting like terms, it becomes 2 plus 2, because if minus 2 crosses equal sign, changes to plus 2. So x is equal to 4. So this is the answer. If you want to check, if you put 4 here in the original equation, substitute x with 4, it's going to be 4 minus 2, which is 2. 6 raised to the power of 2 is 36. So the answer is correct. So I'll do the same here. Number 2, 4 exponent 2x multiplied by 64 raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 1 divided by 2 exponent minus 2x. So I'll do the same here. I'll make 64 to have 4 as its base. So this is going to be the same thing as 4 exponent 2x multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 3 will give me 36. So you can see this is another way of writing 64 in index form. This is 4 raised to the power of 3 because 4 times 4 times 4 into 3 is 64. Now remember that there is exponent already, x plus 1. So I'm going to use this 3 to multiply it. So 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times 1 is 3. Okay? Now is equal to, now I'll apply negative index law here. So doing that, I'm going to have this 2x. Because when I remove this minus sign, I'm going to obtain the reciprocal of this index expression. So that is this, and remember that is 1 here. So now this is the same thing as picking the common base, which is 4. I'm going to add the power because of this multiplication. 2x plus 3x plus 3 is equal to, now simplifying this, because this is fraction, 1 over 2 exponent 2x. So now in fraction, I'm going to use this to multiply the original one here. So divided by this one. So that is going to give me 2 exponent 2x divided by 1, which is 2 exponent 2x. Now this 4, I can still break it down to make it to have the same base with this. That is going to be 2 exponent 2 bracket. I've got 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. I put this bracket because of this index that is the exponent. So I remember that we have 2x plus 3x, that is 5x plus 3. So I'm going to use this to multiply the bracket again. So raised to the power of 2x. So you can see these 2 will cancel out these 2. I'll pick the exponent. So this is 2 bracket 5x plus 3. So 2 times, to clear the bracket, is going to be 2 times 5x. That will give me 10x plus 2 times 3, that is 6, is equal to 2x. So now collecting like terms is going to be 6 is equal to 2x minus plus 10x will cross over equal sign to me 2x. That becomes minus 10x. Remember, as a sign in mathematics, any sign that crosses equal sign, the sign must change. So 2x minus 10x is going to be minus 8x. So for me to get the value of x, I'm going to divide across with minus 8. That is going to be x is equal to minus 6 over minus 8. That is minus 6 over 8. It's the same. So x is equal to, if I reduce this with 2, 2 divide this is going to give me 3. 2 divided is going to give me 4. So the answer is x is equal to minus 3 over 4. So the third question says 1 over 9 all exponent x plus 2 is equal to 81 raised to the power of 3 minus s. That is going to be, so I'll write 1 over 9 raised to the power of x plus 2 is equal to 81 raised to the power of 3 minus x. So to solve this exponential equation or index equation, so it's going to, I'll have to make this fraction like this, 9 raised to the power of minus 1, because you know that when I remove this minus sign, I'm going to have this back. This and this are the same in indices. Raised to the power of 2 is equal to, remember, this is now the base of this index expression. I'll try to make 81 to have the same base. And you know now, 9 is a factor of 81. So I'm going to write 9 square it, because 9 raised to the power of 2 is 81. So the square is going to multiply 3 minus 1, which is the original index or exponent. Now, I'm going to clear the bracket with minus 1. So this is going to be 9 raised to the power of minus 1 times x is minus x. Minus 1 times plus 2 is minus 2. Because minus times plus is minus, is equal to 9 exponent. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times minus x is going to give me minus 2x. So 9 will cancel out 9. I'll pick the exponent. I have minus x minus 2 is equal to 6 minus 2x. So this is linear equation. I'm going to collect like terms. So minus x and minus 2x are like terms. So this whole thing is going to be minus x. Minus 2x crosses equal sign, changes to plus 2x is equal to, I'll write 6. The minus 2 will cross equal sign to meet 6, which is going to be plus 2. Then this is minus x plus 2x is the same thing as 2x minus x, which is going to be x, is equal to 6 plus 2 is going to be 8. So the answer is 8. So these are the answers for first question 1, question 2, and question 3. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.